Hello and welcome. Now let's create a new account at the CloudMQTT.com website. As you can see, they have a lot of plans that you can choose from depending on your project. But let's log in using our Gmail account without creating a new account. This will spare us a step. I'll choose one of my accounts, my Gmail accounts, to sign in to this website. Now click Create New Instance, the green button on the right side of the screen. Now give your instance a name and choose your plan and give it a tag. They used to have a free plan, but now they have a $5 per month plan that you can try. They have a trial period, and you can contact their support to get it. Then select region. After creating this, you can choose the data center closer or the closest one to you, depending on your location. I will leave it to the default, then click review. At this point, you only have to click create instance and you will have your instance up and ready. This is it. It's called Ashraf Test. Now, if you clicked on this instance, you can see its properties. Click once. As you can see, here you have the server and the port and the SSL port. Now, go to Users and ACL. Select a name for your user and a password for the user. I will choose the same thing, Arduino ESP. Then click Add. Now you have a user connected to your instance. Now we need to set our ACLs. You can select ACL by topic or by pattern. Now, topic ACLs is applied to a given user, and we already have a user that we want to apply ACLs to. So simply click topic, choose your user, and make sure that the read and write axis is selected. Oh, we forgot to add a name. Okay, select the user again. Add the pattern name, make sure that the read and write are selected, then click add. Now we have the user connected and has read and write privileges over our instance. Now you can see their API for further information on this, but that's it. This is how to create an instance using